So right here, what I'm doing now is I'm removing the cover. I want to see how these axles are gonna be removed, and also I want to see what carrier it has. This rear end is unknown. It's not factory. It's not a 57 rear end. So that's why I'm kind of, opening it up. All right, let's see what we got. And this is it. So at the moment, I don't know what I'm looking at. But I'll be doing some research and see what this is or how many gears it has. I'll let you guys know. So I counted 41 teeth in this. And it looks like it's a posi. And and the way I kind of determine is the wheels rotate the same direction. So this is a posi. Came to surprise. I guess I could have figured this out without removing the cover, but it looked like there was a lot of shiny metal material. I'm just gonna get a gasket, new fluid, and do it from there, and just, I guess, ride it. Hopefully it's all good. These rear ends are kind of bulletproof, but I guess the real way to testing it out is once I give it a little ride around the block. All right, so as you see right here, there's a differential cover. I'm gonna paint it, and I'm making a gasket for it. See how it goes. Yeah. Wow, beautiful. Look at it. Come on, man. I mean, if you got, what I'm saying? Yes, it's only $10. But only $10 here, only $10 over there. A whole bunch of $10 become how much? $100, right? So you gotta save where you can. The hardest thing it's gonna do is the hose. There you go. Got a gasket right there. I have an idea how I'm gonna do the holes, but let me see how it's gonna be done.
Alright, so as you guys can see the hole right there. So what I'm doing is hammer right here and finding the hole and hitting it. Next hole's right here. Awesome. Next hole's right here. Wow. 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 There we go. Hit it hard enough and it makes it real nice. This one already came out of there.
Alright, cool. So in a little while, you'll see all painted.
All right, so I'm below the car, so I decided to check the axle. Since I have a couple of axles in the attic, I came to check the axle and see how long it is, see how much splines it has. So let's give it a try.
Okay. Beautiful. Alright, now I know. Go in right there.
No, I know. Make sure to clean it up before putting it in. So, alright, let me check. Come over here. So this right here, see that little button? There's a clip in there somewhere. But let me look for it. There we go. Let me get a magnet. See it? It is oversized magnet. You get the point. Look what came out. Nice little C-clip. Man, it does look worn out. Check it out. Now, the axle comes right out. You see what I'm saying? Bah. Axle removed. Wow. Awesome. 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 So what I'm gonna do now is clean this a bit. You know, is this supposed to be dry? No, I don't think so. Count how much blinds. Go to the attic and see what I got. All right, so that's in the cover. I painted it silver just so it could look like that aluminum finish. Filled it up with exactly two. Valvoline 7590. It already has contains limited split additive. So I did buy one to add in there. Just didn't add it quite this time just because these two these two quarts filled it up, but I'm pretty sure once I drive it around, it probably splashes small little areas, and I could probably fit the additive in there. But yeah, man, this is it.